All right, hello Snapchat. Me and Chong are at a different spot today. And we're going to probably be taking a break from painting today. And I wanted to tell everybody that I'm thanking everybody for liking the paintings. I have been practicing for a while, secretly, trying to see how good of a sketch artist I can be. And I'm glad that everybody's vibing with my work because it's always nice to know that you could do something different that you didn't think you could do. So, it's a new trail, folks, so he got to get all of his pee on. But I took a lift up here, and I think he's enjoying it just to get a different tree atmosphere. Because Chong was bored at the house, and it's a nice day, so I figured why not. And I hope everybody's doing well because life is unpredictable. We never know what we're going to have 1 minute to the next, so just try to enjoy what you have when you have it. I do, because before you know it, it could just be gone. And that's how life is. And it's sad. I wish things could stay the same. But they can't, unfortunately. But they can't stay the same, unfortunately, so. But I wanted to let everybody know that I'm still here and doing my thing. And I've been working a lot on YouTube because I want to try and expand my platform over there. And I don't have a WhatsApp app. And I don't think Microsoft security and all this stuff I've gotten is going to allow me to have it. So just regular Messenger, please. And I guess that's about it. And I hope everybody's doing